This is for therapists primarily. I've been doing this a very, very long time, and I talk to my colleagues, and we all seem to have the same sort of struggle. How do you know when your practice is full? You know, for most of us, there's a certain number of clients that we want to see every week. And when we have around that number of clients, we feel full, like this is good, the schedule works. But the thing about therapy is that people don't stay forever. Clients, you don't work with them forever. You do your work, and then clients finish up and move out. And then you start working with new clients. So there's always this attrition that's happening because that's what's supposed to happen. If you're doing a job well, people are not supposed to stay forever. Some people like to stay much longer, which is totally fine. That's an individual decision. But it can be a weird thing where you're not guaranteed an influx of clients. If you've been doing it a long time, you generally have referral sources and you have word of mouth referrals. But so many of my colleagues feel this, where it's like, it feels like you either have too many clients or you don't have enough, or you have just the right amount, but when somebody finishes, then you're going to have a spot open, and then there's some anxiety about, okay, so I have to then have somebody else come in so I can maintain that certain number of sessions. It's like the little Goldilocks thing, right? Like, where's the just right part? Do any therapists ever feel like I'm good and they don't have that anxiety about either having too many sessions or not having enough sessions or clients? Most people I know have that kind of anxiety that's always like a low level, but it's always sort of there. And maybe when you have your own practice, that's just par for the course. Most of the therapists that I'm in touch with talk about something similar. I'm curious if that's on a wider scale, if people feel that. So if you're a therapist, let me know what your experience has been. Obviously, we all have different numbers in our mind of how many clients we want to see a week. I mean, I know someone who says she likes to see no more than 4 clients a week. That's her number. That works for her. Some people see upwards of 20 or 25 or 30 clients a week. It'll be too much for me, but some people it works for. So even kind of, regardless of what your number is, do you get that feeling like it's either too many or too few? And it's hard to just be in that zone of this is good and not worry. Let me hear what you think, and sign up for my newsletter if you haven't.